I'm here with Greg Curtis with the Good Earth Greenhouse. You know, it really is a lot of people's favorite time of year right now. You're getting the fall season, starts to get a little bit cooler, and of course, the pumpkins.
The pumpkins, yes. We will be doing pumpkin carving here at the Good Earth in the next couple of weeks. This morning we're going to talk a little bit about a way to have a pumpkin that's going to last you a little bit longer, and you can design different things. We're going to let you start building one here as I talk a little bit about it. You've actually got what we call a peanut pumpkin.
Okay.
And what they've done is they've introduced a virus, and it's
Not contagious.
Not contagious virus. You're not going to get peanuts. And each one is going to be a little different, each pumpkin. But what's great about these is, again, you can get the different designs, put them in, you can mix and match like you would almost like a Mr. Potato Head, and they're going to last you. So here we are, the 1st of October. This is still going to be good, probably late October, early November.
Yeah, because when you cut into your pumpkin, if you carve it, I mean, it's good for maybe a few days, week if you're really lucky.
Week if you're really lucky.
And that's going to be that's going to be it. So if you want to get those pumpkins out there well before Halloween, you want to do it early October.
Right.
You gotta. This is a much better way of doing it.
So this is a great way to get the kids involved in it as well. So you about got it.
Yeah, don't have to worry about the kids cutting themselves with sharp knives. And
oh, you can't eat the seeds though. We did this. Yeah.
Can't. Oh, that's true.
That's one of the things.
Yeah.
Right. So what have you made there?
All right. So we got a little pig here.
Little pig, little Miss Piggy. Now, one of the things we want to show this morning too. Now, if you come and pick this up, it's not going to say anything on the label about pumpkins. But what did you just call this earlier before we got on there?
It's like sunscreen for things.
Sunscreen for things. And we use it a lot for our gnomes and our plastic pieces around here. We also have seen it work on things like pumpkins. So you can spray it. It's a UV treatment plus a little bit of sealant on there. So it's just going to be a little extra longevity on the pumpkin.
Yeah, and of course you can use this on other things too.
Oh, yeah.
If you got a chair out there, or those garden gnomes that you're talking about, you can spray it on that. It's not meant for people though.
It is not meant for people.
Yeah, so don't spray it on yourself, but it will help to protect the things outside that are left in the sun. And of course, you leave a pumpkin out there in the sun, and that's going to degrade it pretty quickly.
Now just let the viewers know we've been getting pumpkins. Right now we're getting them twice a week. So we got a great selection to choose from. This is just, a small sampling of what we got outside.
Yeah, there's different varieties. I mean, we're all used to the orange pumpkins here,
Right.
but you can always mix it up a little bit and get this the peanut pumpkin or a different color.
Cinderella pumpkin. We've got probably 20 varieties out there.
All right, so lots to choose from. That's all the time we have for this week on the Good Earth Greenhouse. Join us back here next Wednesday.